edit and loop it. Studios live at the podcast vibe. From weddings to worship, we keep dreams alive. Honesty Media, we bring it to life with the sharpest cuts and the clearest mind.
In my current video, I made a video on how to output your OBS output to your mega screen like this. Okay, so if you do that on OBS, I think it's very simple for you to do that on vMix. Now vMix, I think it's very simple. Just same method. Use your extend screen, also plug in your HDMI cable into your TV and also into your PC, and you're good to go. Okay, and if you do that on the first video, I think you are able to do this on vMix on this second video. Okay, now this is your vMix, this is your mega screen here, as you can see here, and this is my background of my PC. You can see that here. Okay, so this is the background of the PC, and I think you can see that here. So let's go to vMix and output the entire program to the TV screen. It's very simple. Now let's go to the top there. Just click on this full screen here. You can see that here. There's a display here. You can see. So you can choose multi-view. You can choose. So click on this tiny arrow here, then go to display one or whatever here, this arrow, and choose whatever you want to see on the TV screen. Okay, so for me, I want to see the output program, which is the program out. Okay, this is the multi-view, and I want the output. Just click on output. Then after that, click on this full screen here. Don't click on the arrow again, just click on the full screen. And as you can see, let me click on the full screen for you. Let me show you the screen. So this is the TV screen. Then click on the full screen. Now the output of the vMix will automatically come on the TV, and it's very simple. Okay, and if you don't want this and you want the multi-view, I think you can go to the tiny arrow. You can stop the full screen and go to the tiny arrow and change to your multi-view. Okay, so multi-view, let's go ahead and click on the full screen, and it will come here. This is your multi-view. Whatever you have here on the multi-view will show up here for you to switch between them. Okay, so that's it. It's very simple for you to do this on vMix, and I think in the next video we are going to dive into more details on how this was displayed. Okay, thank you for watching this video. This
That's right.